If you're looking for low-maintenance tools to keep young trees well watered, then check out our 15-gallon tree watering rings. These rings provide a steady drip of water, up to 15 gallons, directly to trees with no runoff or evaporation. This product helps water seep deep into the ground so the tree's roots reach deeper and grow stronger. To get this product and more with free shipping, don't forget to check out the links in the video's description. Solutions tree watering bags are ready to use without any assembly. Most standard garden hoses should be compatible with this bag. To use the 15-gallon watering ring, set the ring around the tree's base, open the ring's seal, and insert the hose. Now, simply fill the bag to its capacity. Once the bag is full, remove the hose and reseal the ring. Water will slowly drip out of the 2 drippers on the bag's underside. The bag will empty itself over 5 to 8 hours and can be reused at any time. Most trees will need to be watered once per week. Use the Solutions 15-gallon tree watering rings on young, newly planted or established trees. The branches should be at least 25 inches from the ground. These bags are ideal when you want to minimize your tree watering schedule and control how much water a tree receives. Watering bags ensure each tree receives the same amount of water with each application. They can also be used when you want to conserve water as they empty out over 8 hours. Solutions tree watering bags pose no threat to health or safety when operated according to the product's labeled directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE if you're handling pesticides or fertilizers along with this product.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.